Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. What we have to do in this question? In this question, we have to prove a net derivative of e raised to power ax will be, it will be equals to a raised to power n e raised to power ax. Here, what is a? A is a constant. Understand? We are going to move. What we are going to do? We are first assuming y will be e raised to power ax. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find first derivative. What the first derivative will, it will be represented by f of x, or we can say y dash, or we can say y1. It is the first derivative notation we are going to use. We are going to use y1. Y1 will be nothing but d by dx of e raised to power ax. Understand? I think all of you know what is the differentiation of e raised to power x. Let me revise once again. Differentiation of e raised to power x, I think all of you know, it will be equals to e raised to power x. This formula must you have to remember. Now what we are going to do, we are just differentiating this. It will be equals to e raised to power ax. Differentiation will be e raised to power ax. Now what we are going to do, we are going to differentiate. We are using chain rule. Then what we are doing, we have to differentiate a into x. It will be equal, it will be nothing but e raised to power ax will be as it is. Here a is constant, we can take it out of the differentiation. It will be a. Now differentiation of x will be 1. I think all of you know, it will be equals to e raised to power ax into a into 1. We can write it a multiplied by e raised to power ax. Now what we are going to do, now we are finding second derivative. Second derivative will be nothing but y2. We have used notation y2. It will nothing but a, it will be nothing but d by dx of uh, d by dx of dy by dx. Understand this part? We have find first derivative. And now what we are going to do, in place of dy by dx, we have to substitute this value. D by dx, it will be a into e raised to power ax. Here is a is constant, we can take it out of the differentiation. We have used the property of differentiation. When we have a constant, we can take it out of the differentiation. Here it will be d by dx of e raised to power ax. Understand? Now it will be nothing but, it will be a differentiation of d by dx of e raised to power ax will be nothing but e raised to power ax will be e raised to power ax. Now we have to differentiate a into x. Differentiation of d by dx of ax, we have used chain rule. It will be equals to a e raised to power ax. Here it will be a. Understand? Now next part, what we are going to do, we have to find third derivative. Second derivative, it will be nothing but a square e raised to power ax. What will be third derivative? Anyone can guess? Third derivative will be nothing but here for second derivative, let me write once again. For second derivative y2, it will be a square e raised to power ax. And for first derivative, let me write y1. Here focus on this part, let me highlight once again. Y1 will be a raised to power, y1 will be first derivative will be a into e raised to power x. Second derivative will be nothing but a square into e raised to power x. We have to check some pattern here. When we are differentiating first time, it will be power 1. When we are differentiating second time, it will be a square. When we differentiate third time, what will be equals to, it will be equals to a3 e raised to power ax. When first derivative e raised to power ax will be as it is, when we are differentiating second times, e raised to power ax will be as it is, but there will be one power of a. When we are when we find second derivative y2, it will be a square into e raised to power ax. When we are finding third derivative, it will be nothing but a cube e raised to power ax. When we are finding when we generalize a net derivative of e raised to power ax, it will be nothing but a raised to power an. Understood? A raised to power ax. Understood, all of you? So let me write the formula. What we have find, y1 yn, it means a net derivative of e raised to power ax. It will be nothing but d by dx raised to power n, d raised to power n divided by d raised to power d into x raised to power an of e raised to power ax. We have to find a net derivative what, e raised to power ax exponential function. It will be nothing but an e raised to power ax. Understood? And this is our formula. All of you have to remember this. Understand? We have find the net derivative of what, we have find the nth derivative of exponential function. It will be nothing but a n e raised to power ax. I think all of you have understood. This is the derivation part. All of you have to remember this. All of you have to remember only this formula. Let me highlight. This formula is very important. You have to remember nth derivative of exponential function. It will be nothing but a raised to power n e raised to power ax. Understood this part? Hope this clear to all. Thank you. If you like the video, please share with your friend and do subscribe. Thank you.